Hello traders! Today I would like to share with you results of some amazing people from our community. These results are posted every single day on our Discord channel. So let's check those results. Here we got some nice results from pocket options. This is something new in our community, but the results are amazing. Here we got Dan, who is testing Bitcoin on demo account before founded account. The results are quite impressive as well. Another one is Marek. He is saying that he was fighting with the gold. He got some profits and losses, but that's okay. In final result, he is in profit, so it's quite good. Next is Cesare, who was scalping on US 100, and he's saying he always trading between 2 and 7 p.m. Let's check the results. 1048 zloty. Very nice result. We have Marek here again, and he was using one of our strategies, all in ASAP, and he's got small results, but still he's pushing his profits up. Here you can see Jumbo, who was using smart money concept, but here I'm not sure what was the final result, but it's looking good. Here we had Rafał, who is saying that he was trading on the founded account. Results? $697. Congratulations. Again, Rafał posted us some results. This time is US oil 221, $269. Very nice result. Let's check next one. Gold plus US oil. Open and gold full strategy maker. In All-in Traders, we have AI tool that helps you make the right decisions. And the Rafał was using this strategy, like you can see on the screen. And here is the final result. That is very impressive. Here we got Michael, and unfortunately he's got some losses, but that is okay, because trading, it's not only profits, but we have to deal with the stop losses as well. If you're gonna find the strategy what gives you 100% of winning rate, please let me know. Guys, I can do that all day. We got many more, because this is posted every single day by the traders from our community. So if you are a part of community, you can share your results on this channel as well. Guys, so if you want to have similar results and you want to join us, click the link below.